Yeah man, glory be to the most I give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and you go do what you do. You see it? You're not the boss of me. But anyway, it's my Virginia, you hear me say. Come on, don't check out the music, you know. Send the music to me, I'm listen about 3 or 4 times. But listen until you have to look for it pan. Where is sister there?
She in the bathroom.
I want the lovely bathroom door. What me I say now? You know, say tomorrow, me not gonna be here, right?
Why?
Me have to go up in line go deal with some business. Me have set up on a future. Me have set a big place me I try look forget so you can live today. Cause I move along is a place here. So me I try to look for land and look for house space to buy and thing. You understand? So apart from that, your mama say hi.
Which part she did by the way?
She just someplace in a foreign, in the cold part of foreign part. Sometimes you don't get no signal. And the bill that pick up on my phone, but she called me last night, you know? And she me no reason. She said I told her she alright. She said she won't be coming back for now. She said she gonna take 10 years, me don't know how much year she gonna turn over there. She make money. So she gonna send money come. Alright? So if you don't worry on herself, live on a happy life, and she a work. She a do hard labor to ensure so now have things we set things right. Yeah man, we set things right. So when she come out I can explain to her. So tomorrow me I left on you know. Remember, me I push out before the rooster start crow, cause for me I go see that. Them a call me about the business of me I do. Salon me go buy and thing. Alright? So me have to organize up and then so do the right thing. Babysitter will come. Make sure so now manners see the babysitter. Alright? You have manners. I want to get up and go name something for yourself. No wait for babysitter cook for you. You have to learn to cook them about pies. You know. So now as a young girl. Why you couldn't turn your yard because you club? You tell someone to have a job here you walk more from you. You run your yard and wait for you.
Actually because we have something to take care of my house, so I just go on the road and done.
Alright, what me say to you now? Are you available to do the babysitting tomorrow? Listen now, I'm too precious to them, you know. And them here's hard. Me have it hard with them. Right? I mean, no, they get it from them woman. Watch your road. You know the road, woman. That's good for your fast. Because I tell you, say, if you make the mistake, I make wrong my people them and give me a well account to the final. You have to watch them like so, you have to depend them.
They're not big, them big.
No, they're big, but then things them brain bigger than how them big. So you have to watch them. You may pay, you know, good money. How much money you want?
Make sure good money.
How much money you want to take care of them? I want day to take care of them from morning till evening. Tomorrow. I mean I left out very early.
15 grand really.
Alright, so no worry about that. But me I said, remember, watch them, man, for them, you know, cause them say them future right and them grape ripe. So them have plum tree, no one, you ensure say, them not left the yard. This one of them, I want black youth up, so we have the woman in the yard, a highs half the one of them. So me know say half of the one that she a smile, and me know one box on her face, me say, girl, you know how me have to watch them? Then I breed them off long time. Alright, so here now. Me a cut. Because I have some errands to go deal with some things and done some things. So do the right thing. Remember tomorrow. Early in the morning. Me a come in your yard, come drop off the money. And then you can do the work. You tell them how to say you come. One of them are running a belly. No worry about that. We're going to some gear or something for tonight. I will run again. Alright, so that good. Do what you have to do. Remember tomorrow. Do not sleep in the days of sleep.
No, me not sleep.
Me say no, if a creator here, if a quint, then gone. If a quint so, do not quint. Alright?
So I just sit and sleep.
Alright? Alright.
Alright.
man, when you do, you can't do that, man. You're not too new woman there, you're just a bad gene, so.
You're a woman. You're a woman like this. Anyways, you know what's daddy are going?
Eh?
Yeah. Daddy are going. So you know that means more time for me and you.
But still, you can't just come here and have no woman there.
That's the thing, your woman works with my father. You don't work with my father because your woman take care of my father. Mother which is my grandmother.
So what if I mean somebody did there? What if somebody did there related to my woman and you come here and shit and you don't call, man, if you call, you can't just barge.
And all the time you want her.
You have to barge, you can't just barge. You know, say, I am not single, I am in a relationship. Right? I will just hiding and fooling around. So you have to knock. As you can see me there.
I don't realize.
So I mean,
They tell us some daddy are going.
oh.
I'm going by tomorrow. So we can have enough time to spend together. And you know, I'll get one babysitter. So here with me, I figure to know. Me and my sister are just trying to distract the babysitter so we can get to come out. So we can get to come out. How can just come out so you look suspicious. So you have to distract her. You're hungry? You know, if I'm
I'm tired, man, because I wake up.
After 11.
That's true. But anyways, I don't want nobody come see.
I run me?
No, sir, but no. Mama. Mama said me alone, nigga.
So how you run me? You're not even greet me. You're not even hug me.
Oh, wait now.
What's ya? Yeah, go on like, you know.
Alright. Much of yes, so yeah, do. If I did not house, it would have different. It's me, I say. No, I want to come back from the kitchen. I should come from the kitchen, yeah, now.
Me not like a style, you know.
What?
Yeah, move to Gigi.
What move, Gigi?
Anyways, that's the rush car that is there, man. We go and visit. I don't know if you reach over here, like that. Me gone.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah.
I mean, like how you deal with me first before you start to cure the place. That is very good. So that's good news, right there, son? If you tell my son, say, I like you, I mean, like how you deal with the thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just continue to do what you do, and you hold this job for a while because my son don't mind pay. He's a man who pay. He now hold you. You understand?
You sure you're not going to?
No. He don't deal with business like that. Once he tell us a Monday, I'm Monday. And if you can't do it, I'm going to make sure your heads up. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you won't have no problem. So, what you can do now, I like how you look to me. You know, for the first day, you make sure say, alright, the kitchen clean up, you give me breakfast and my meds and the floor. What you put on the floor for shiny, man? What you put on? Polish?
Water.
Just water alone?
Yeah.
Man, you did a good job. I'm like, yeah, you did a good job. So, you finish the way I do, I'm being and everything, and I get my breakfast and my lunch. So you can't go home now, you know. Can't look more than there for do. So I'm going to do you now, I'm going to relax a bit and watch some TV and do my puzzle. So tomorrow, same time? Yes, thank you very much, yeah? Yes. And as I said, don't worry about your money, you will get your money.
Yeah.
Alright, take care of yourself now, and thank you very much. Yes, clean and nice. Clean girl, that's good.
Evening.
How was that?
Good so far. But a while ago when I come, neighbor don't just stop me. And so she hear my young girl over here.
My young girl.
Yeah.
No, sir. I must see girl where sitting there. The girl there pass and ask me if me know Susie live. Somebody I get a direction. I just not like girl. Maybe I should not talk.
You sure?
Yeah, man. Maybe I should not talk. Susie. Because she asked me for direction because she don't come to a boy and I tell her say, alright, I'm going to say Susie. So maybe I did.
You know I love you and thing.
Yeah, I just did that. But I look tired, man. I'm going to take a shower.
Yeah.
I'll take a shower, man, and then go pan around and get something to eat. Yeah?
pumping them and go. Pinky.
Yeah.
You know, say, me I want to work to put up on.
What kind of work on?
Well, you know, say me always want to one or two babes to fire the truth. Yeah, so you come yesterday and give more work. But me remember say me have something for go do girl and me already collect the man money already. So me I wonder if I can watch them for me.
Alright, when you want to come?
Today, no, in the morning because me have to go do something right now and he say me have to watch them clean because I too bad people then come watching. But you don't have to cook nothing for them, you know, you just need to watch them. 4 or 5 you pay me. So me leave I take no more time money, me just give whole like 4 or 5.
Alright, you have to call with them.
Alright. You give me more than 15,000 now. Listen, when I know if you go wash up your plate them first before I get something to eat. And by the way, may I try call somebody else to come stay with you. Because when emergency come up and I have to go away. So I personally may I try to forget stuff. Only not go wash up plate them. Hello? Kayla?
Yeah.
Yeah, Wagwan, where you there?
Get me a girl. Nah, nothing.
You know some more you match up sitting for me door?
That what that now?
Just call link me. Me there over fire yard.
Alright, me I come.
Yeah, hurry up.
Alright.
Me need one of them to wash up the plate them. Come on for your phone now. Me not tell you if you come on for your phone and go wash your plate them.
I can wash them.
So what? Listen. Here one. Me I gonna meet the girl where I can stay with you know. So make sure you no give her no talking, you hear me say? And make sure you wash the plate. You look for me? Me soon come. I gotta deal with the business and something, here.
Alright. What kind of babysitter that? I don't know. She just come and go answer? Yeah, like daddy leave her to take care of it and she just gone.
Let's go. Where's the girl? I don't know. You ever did drink soda and eat cheesy? What am I doing?
I'm hungry.
Alright. Here what I say. Me have 2 little girl in this one.
2 little girl?
Not little girl, but big enough little girl. You know what I mean? Yeah. When me go want you for babysit for me. Me have something to go deal with.
Me?
Yes. And I don't like the last time.
Jesus Christ, man.
Listen what me I say. And I like the last time when we make your babysit 2 little pitney them. And you make one of them nearly drown.
You don't remember that?
Listen, and the next one what? Drink bleach.
I never tried to feel wanga belly. Me send a girl go beard. Never send her in the bathroom to go tap up it and go in and eat.
No, but literally you need to watch them. Even though you're young like them, but you're the boss.
Right, me the boss.
You in charge.
Me in charge.
Not forget that.
No, me not forget that. Me watch them properly. This time I'll keep me eye on the 2 of them.
And you see the one I love in her phone? Watch her keenly.
Me go watch her. So where you go?
Eh?
Where you go?
Me I go on the road go deal with some business girl. Me soon come.
Alright.
Alright.
You're the boss.
Yes, you're the boss.
I am the boss. Hi. I'm gonna say it again. I am The boss. Me in charge. Get that? Maybe I'm gonna look at powder.
I'm gonna leave some powder in there. Should I on this one? I can't use some.
Alright, come me left out me and powder up. I want some powder. I feel fresh when I have on powder.
What that?
Me no know.
As he come in my big powder?
And then he not even look mature. He look immature. Jesus God. I went got
He maga your frig. He maga so.
me no know, mind your business.
Look like she have man stress.
Shh. Oh God. It is on a phone time and me Pinky left in charge. Time to tell up the place.
I want to take her.
Una young girl and nasty. Very nasty. Come.
I want to take her.
You, I gonna pull up the clothes them. You sleep on the house. You look for your hand. I take the phone. Little picnic. Come now. Get up. Get to work. Want the place to tidy up. Sorry, ranking one ya.
Me not do nothing, no?
My girl. And me Pinky left in charge and me are the boss. When you full up the clothes them on the bed. Full up the clothes them and pack up the bag them. Bag that stay on bed. Una young girl and it's so nasty. No man not go want to Nino. Come on, no man no want nasty girl.
How old are you young?
Which one?
Girl, me young, me no old.
So why you act like an old man?
I mean,
You could have simply come in and say, alright, you can't tidy up the room.
No.
But no.
No. I'ma come at me.
I want to you.
I'ma come
No,
at me.
bad to bad, me have to take this joke. What happened to you? Why you behave like
My
a
girl.
60-year-old?
Because I'm me left in charge. Yes, so. I'm in the type of place. Come. So I'm gonna get up. Get up now. I'm talking about this, man. Type of place, man. You couldn't nasty pick me here. Come, man. Get to work. Want the yard for rake up. Sleep out in bed, but I don't in here nasty. I want to stay now.
Why you do me so?
I'm going to do this. I'm going to chat to you in our ear. And I'm in charge. Come. Come. Type of place. Get to work. I'm going to wash up your dirty plate them. Yes. And you see the piece what I don't put out the door? Throw the piece out there because I'm not trying to piece out of it. So hurry up. So pick me here. I'm going to flip the clothes them. Not too nasty. Which man don't want to know? Which man don't think don't want to know?
Right, if you know.
No man don't want a nasty girl. Because any man there with a nasty girl is a nasty man. And if you learn to wash, cook and clean, I mean, I cook no food. I tell you what I have to do now. Sweep out the house. That's the piss pot out there, so. Because I don't dash with that. And I be left in charge to do that. You understand? You sweep out and eat the bed too. When you sweep place, sweep and eat the bed and the bed nasty. Change the sheet, man. Not too nasty. I want to do everything. And first of all, nobody now left the yard today, yeah. I not this one not turn. So now look for me in the yard do not turn. And then everybody done no chores. I don't get to watch TV, but not to do everything first. My girl, may you sweep the dust for me. You don't have to say excuse. How school you go? They teach you manners. Remember, break up the yard.
So I'm
And bag not turn for bed and clothes not turn for bed. Before you put them not in the sock. Not too nasty, man. Excuse me, man. They're going to use the bathroom. By the time you're done, you're supposed to clean up your stuff. And the girls some food. Stop put the clothes up on the bed, idiot. You know who turns the clothes up on bed.
I want to take her.
Me don't know anyways. Girl, I left more left fire sign up.
I think I'm here alone.
Alright, here I plan now. I go around there so we pass she around the kitchen around there so. Or wherever she says she gone. I go tell her say something to your foot. Make you attend to your foot. Tia, you attend to your foot and come back. Me gone. I go check my boyfriend. Boyfriend want to see me. Tia, you do that and come back. Me reach back here. Me we do the same thing and make you go to whoever you go to. Is that a plan? By the way, where you say you go?
Girl, my friend, I have one party tonight and me know say me can't leave the yard, so more than one go check her find an idea. But then again, you not stop taking people in man.
No, people man nice.
But girl, now you did a punk car within 1 hour, almost 2 hours, and so till he babysitter gonna catch you.
You never catch me. Almost catch me.
Girl, if me never touch you, she would have gonna catch you.
Anyways, just go deal with me. I say. I go up and go start up my business and come back. Go on no. Can't move like you know want go. Ow!
How are you? Jesus. Jesus Christ, my little idiot pick me, man. You're not problem now. What happened to you? Come and see your foot. Get up, man. Get up a 5 girl. Get up a 5 girl. What happened to your foot? What happened to your foot?
You never drop me.
Oh, sit down. Sit down, me look for it. Sit down, me look for it. Sit down, me look for it. Hush, man. Hush. Not do it in your boots. Where's sister there? Oh! Jesus Christ, Pitney. What wrong with you? Let me sit down. Put your foot right as so.
Hey, take that with my foot.
Oh, just long out, man. Let me find it. Hush. Hush, man. Come tell yourself, wash up your plate them. You come and say, idle. So you're supposed to chop off your toe. I mean, I put no problem, you know. So the knife, the drop on foot. The knife, drop on your foot.
It's right off my counter.
And you have so much energy to chat. Hush, man. You know broke. You know broke. You alright. Don't tell Pinky say nothing like your toe, you know. Oh, can me
So what if sister see? What if I'm going to tell sister say?
Your sister don't go know what she had the proper bed? You done proper bed?
Yeah.
Alright. You go find it until it tap at you. It tap at you?
No, it's still hurt me.
Tip me?
B, you know something I feel good?
Dear.
I feel sick.
Oh, maybe I true armor. Maybe true because I rain. Everyone going to take up clothes them. Because this rain here, sick people, so you have to be careful of what you do in the rain.
Maybe I eat for true.
So, already you carry your work with you in case your nose feel like stuff is help you free up your nose because you don't know say you have to go to work because money I going to need it and I go on the work too as well. So my teeth me just down with brush and something. So upon the work me I go. So I say carry your work with you if anything and something. Alright. What time you come in?
Around 5.
Boy, BS, me say, you really sick for choke and you not talk. Normally, they give me one bag of chat in the morning, but no talking in the pan. But I say, as me say, you just go to work, you can anchor with you. You really talk up in nobody's face, can nobody catch a cold, your flow, or whatever you have. So as me say.
Anyways, thanks for your tea we met me this morning. I really appreciate it.
Oh, that good man. You know, I did some, I want to get some ginger, but you want to put a ginger in there. Or like a dog ears bush. Enough help clear out the look of cool out your system, but I say go. I'm late for work, so.
I go to work now.
Yeah, do you do? I go out after yesterday. I'm not ready yet.
They call you me at work.
Aye. I go on the work too.
Anyways, what we are going to eat later?
By later we'll figure. Maybe we stop and get a piece of meat on the road or so.
Oh, what kind of meal cooking are you?
That good man.
Taxi?
Hello?
What go on?
I'm there.
Something there, you know, so she just gone a while ago. Because she told me say she feel sick for a morning, but she didn't want to go work, so I have to push her to go work or something. So I spare there.
I'm there I have to outside the hide and attack.
So, come over now. Because you know, say she gone, so.
It's not like up on the road there, so.
Yeah, up on the road time, she just gone, so I call over same time because she don't feel good, so I don't want if she change her mind and she come home, she come home from kitchen. I have to help her come over.
Oh, alright then, I come. Just give me a few minutes.
Aye.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning, young lady. You know what? What are you supposed to be here?
We come to work in time one.
No, that's not the way you go. You're getting paid for do this, you know? And a frisbee.
You not pay me enough.
Well, if it not pay enough, all you have to do is say something, and if my son can put on something more upon it, he will.
Last time I tell him that nothing never go upon it.
I talked to him, so I taught him to get a raise. I talked to him.
No, you not give me no raise, lady.
Well, me have to talk to him because you can't walk in when you feel like walking. I'm supposed to take my medication at certain time. I'm supposed to get my breakfast and then also a sponge bath and other little things that the house need to do, like clean up my bedroom and the kitchen.
But wait, you can't. Me have to come get your medication. Then you have 2 hands.
No, you're supposed to give me the medication.
You have 2 hands, you know?
I know I have 2 hands, but that's what the doctor said.
So if me not come in time, you take them yourself.
Listen, me not argue with you, you know. Me not argue because if you continue arguing, me tell you, just go through the door. I'm going to call my son and make him find somebody else. Because you come here with your attitude, with your stinking attitude.
Yeah.
See me, I'll start coughing because I need my meds. I have to get my meds at certain time. At night time, I take meds, but my son make sure I get my meds because he come downstairs and give me my meds at night time. So you make up your mind what you want to do.
My name 2-1, they are still, but I come. You have to glad to say I come.
So if you don't want there, why are you here?
Because me just come for help you, but you couldn't take your medication yourself.
But not supposed to. That wasn't the rule. That's not what my son said.
Well, me I give you one rule. If me no reach you in time, you take it yourself.
And what you do? You come here for come argue with me, or you come here for come take care of me?
Me come for come take care of you, but you want to argue, so me I argue.
So can I have my breakfast, please?
Ma'am, you're there for a morning. Me just come.
So
you have to wait.
What you for? Where you really for? Where you coming for? Just walk in and come argue with me and my son pay you? Me don't care for $1 in my pay. You're still getting something every week.
Good for you. Nah, pay me.
Never go talk to my son about you. Because me and you definitely not going to get along. Because you are coming to my house, come argue with me and tell me what you supposed to do. And me I tell you what you get paid for.
Listen to me. Your son or your whatsoever now pay me the amount I want. So I'm free for come anytime I want.
Well, anyway, give me my breakfast. I need my breakfast now.
Lady, you got to wait. If you can't wait, I your problem.
Alright, please, make sure I get my breakfast in the next 10 minutes.
Eh?
And nothing hard. Just like a oatmeal and some juice and 2 boiled eggs. Because she come beat me up from my own house and I work hard for.
Then you just call me a while ago. Why am I not getting phone?
How would that? May I come?
Alright, man.
So me can just come in and people
Me
see
call her from originally and I'm not get a
no
phone.
call. Come in. Nobody see me now. Yes, sir. Go.
Come here. Me can't go stay longer now.
You mean by my woman there now, so we have a whole day for yourself. She gone come back
The
out.
babysitter gone and left Kayla in charge. So me have to do what I do quick and go back over.
Alright. So you're the partner otherwise, can't for a long time I don't see you know.
I'm good so far.
Oh.
But me kinda in a hurry because my sister distract Kayla so me can come out of the house. So me have to hurry up and do what I do so me can go back over. But distract back Kayla So my sister can go for fear mission.
Oh.
Yes, I that I go on.
Well, should I tell me, man? When me is female woman, she sick all this man and name and go nowhere. I may have to force her to figure.
You force you.
Me tell her to go into an alcohol.
So suppose she come back home to trace so.
No man, she not come back. Mama not come back from work. Mama after 5 minutes, she come back.
You just say she's sick.
Yeah, she's
Anything
sick.
is possible.
That's why I give her the alcohol. So see if she's sick, she's sippy, not sippy.
She's sippy.
She's smelly. She inhale it.
Anyways,
clear
cut a long conversation. Come, you're not. Come and get down to
think
business.
anybody I got ask.
Come.
Here. Normally when I get my tea and I get my breakfast with it. And the tea is cold. I will do catch water from the pipe and make my tea.
I run this way, you see? I have to wash plates. I have to make tea. I can't just smell something one time, lady.
But that's what you're here for. You're here to give me my meds and also make me breakfast and clean the kitchen, whatever little dishes. Ain't no much dishes in the 2 little cups and 1 spoon and 1 fork and 1 knife. You complain about. You not go work with me, you know. You not go work. You not go work at all.
You know what?
Therefore talk to my son.
I'm take up my bag. Cause I shouldn't even come here in the first place. Cause I'm sick. I'm tired. I'm still come here. So
You should have gone long time.
I go me yard.
Go long, you should have gone and no
sick
come
I
back.
want go lay down. Me not come back.
No come back, no come
You
back.
well alright.
Come on, your foot dry like piece of stick. Go long. You lazy fart, you come here for go and take my son money and not take care of me. One in your yard.
That quickie they nice. You come like say quickie they my nice. When me go long, you know so nice. Let's say you forgot what me tell you.
Yeah, me. About that.
Yes. Can I the
Oh, God.
You see, you're one, come, give me a hug. You have to go in now.
No, man, that's all go wrong.
You know, just get around already.
Well, 1 more round I got right time we done.
You know, so when you go zoops in and done.
Yeah, zoops and done. Come on, man.
I choose me love you, you know. I'm going to tell you some more I go home and insist to me stay. Why?
So, stop going to tell us, yeah, that's what we are, man. You just
Will you call soon? Remember me to release me sister. You forgot that?
Let's spend a couple more time on the one. That's who gone. Tell us, yes, who gone.
We've been there over 1 hour.
You know, say true. But you're so good. Just spend a couple more time. Just, yeah, go on like say your sister and run with man.
But
your sister can't wait.
she have things we go do.
I am tired.
Jesus Christ, move man, come on, go. What,
Sorry.
you mean,
Me
sorry?
just hear what woman voice.
No, I have my phone me there.
No, me hear what woman voice.
I'm my mother there in here talk, man,
No,
on the
your
phone.
mother can't sound so. Excuse.
Where you look for?
Sorry, come to say that.
What's that? Nobody not in here.
Move.
Nobody not in here.
Hey girl, come here.
No, okay. Where you do?
Oh, garage in my house.
Me no know.
I mean, wanna work and pay my bills, you know.
How she reach in there?
Oh, she reach in here.
How she reaching
You
her?
me talk to me.
Jesus Christ. I don't know, I just a come
So,
to
imagine, me a live. Me a work hard for maintain you. Cause you hardly work, you're lazy. You're
So when me I come from, I work there.
You're lazy. Me a work hard for maintain me. And you really give me bun.
No, me say me don't know you go. I don't know you go reach in the closet. Jesus.
So how the door pull and she come in here?
Me nah lock the door, me a go. Me just slightly let up the door. Me don't know, I swear to God, me don't know you go reach in. I don't know she reach in. A thief girl come thief and me come, she hear me same time I run in the closet. Cause I don't know me in there and me come and she call me not to know nobody in there. I swear to God.
You know, say I catch me and the old man with me I take care of catch up and decide to me I come on my yard. Tell me say I got work. I don't expect to come here come see you. And plus me come here come see you with woman.
No man, me go work and me get through early. So when I come in this door, me I say door look like it look slightly pull. Some of them I don't see nobody.
You see door look slightly pull and you
because me nah lock the door. No, me I say maybe I someone left because me just drop the door. Me don't know what going on. I swear to God, no man, me nah know say no man in there. Me don't know where she come from. You see me I wonder where she reach in there. I know me still I wonder. Stop going someone and come calm down yourself. I don't know you're going so far. Sit down and relax, man. Put my slippers, yeah, kick up my slippers.
Oi, nothing we do can't calm me down. Cause I need to find out which girl that and what she done at my house.
Me not no girl, me I tell some me no know. Maybe a thief she come thief.
Alright, me I go on the road. I have to find out.
Where I go on the road for?
I have to find out at who.
What you mean?
I have to find out at you. All you, wait till me come back.
Oh girl, man.
Girl, I want you.
Look on hand for me. Look on hand for me.
I want your hand.
You man catch me. You want to catch me in the house. And draw me out of the closet and me lick on the door. And my back at me. Jesus. Look if it's spraying for me. Ah! Ow! That's hot.
You see? You see when the baby sister come?
You think I say about the ice for there?
Ow!
Jesus Christ. How are you?
Me a clean up out the door and me slide and drop on my hand.
Jesus!
And my back at me feel like it's slip out.
You back what?
Feel like my back slip out.
Jesus Christ, man.
Do take time. You're hot. Ah!
Hush. Come see your hand bro?
I don't know.
Hush, what the job?
Alright,
where they do for job? Your next idiot makes only cute by here. Put them so full. You know if you tell your place. Eh?
Ow.
Jesus Christ. Come here. Hush. Let me massage.
Ah!
Hush. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Come. Come and go put something on you. Come and see me can put something on you. Come and understand how you some food. Come. No mash up my food. Don't tell me mash up my food. You don't tell Fanny and mash it up. Sit down. Almost so cool for me. You're back at it. So what you did? Can you come in and say, look for me, couldn't find out. What you did?
Me did run in front and rake up and then me sit down for rest. And then when me get up and I come back round I back me slide and
Last
drop.
year slide, come to freak up here, the sun on the wrist. Come on back. That's how you make your back at you. Jesus Christ. You just want to beat somebody beat you?
No,
And
I'm
what kind of job
sliding.
you get by your back?
Ah,
You slide.
I slide and drop.
So your clothes not dirty up.
Me,
Oh, you slide.
my slippers slidey. So me I come from the front, we go round at the back, and me put skate off and me drop and go down for my hand.
So your clothes not dirty up.
Because up on my hand me drop.
So you have off your back.
Anyways, my hand hurt me and my back hurt me. Both of them hurt me. In fact, my hand feel like it's slip.
Lie down this one. The man said, oh, you slide and drop on your back at you. And your hand, you see it.
Both of them
Don't help me because your job here. You hear me? Alright, make go call sister.
No.
What?
My sister, alright, me no more pain. You can't hot the water for me like my hand.
Alright. And the pain no wash up. Who want to go wash him up? Or
That-
take your back to pat because you have to wash him up.
That at least, the water more important.
I don't understand. I don't understand at all.
Look how long me saying it us and that the girl and I come hungry. Me hungry right now, you know. Oh.
Hey, listen you said, I didn't think we gonna start. We don't know party business already.
Girl, I'm hungry, me hungry. What? Look there, rainfall. You see rainfall, people come and buy food. Look, come and buy food and go away. But we say about the party tonight.
You know, they can't come in about me try. Because the original babysitter, can one next girl come up there. Wanna come maga one.
Jesus, oh, you maga.
Girl like steak.
Sorry, alright, talk.
But me not fi try to get her distracted. Me not fi make my bigger sister distract her. For me can left the yard and do the same for she. So me not really sure. Me not promise if me can come or not. The reason I take some for come down here still me that for distract the babysitter. To make my bigger sister can come out of the house. So it did take a while.
So we go look for now, but come on for people business. Me say me want beat one girl, you see? She go like same in better than everybody on the lane.
So who that know?
One big thick girl up the road.
Why if me know who?
You some back broad.
Better my need sit down for you. You see girl big.
Nena some for me. Come, I'm ready for go war the girl a war me say.
Which one she dey?
She's so alright. You know like you go up, you can come down like half a one like a hill and we part one red car the man. Oh, you don't know a girl there?
Alright, so?
Yes.
So you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready long time.
Forward.
But I want to get to that because I be a bit touch check me up on phone right now.
Serious?
Yes.
So you walk so?
How me walk?
You walk like you want none her face.
I'm all up her face. You know, some afraid of no girl can't beat me. Oh.
Let's see me know see you no afraid of nobody.
It's all back, Brad. I know that body no can just stop me. No.
Oh, the mascota will come. So no, are really this a Jamaican yourself? Nigga lad. How why she look for me so?
Nigga that.
Ah, she see a one.
Nigga, this here.
Oh,
So how you have out of a phone?
girl, my bad anywhere I go. Oh, what me? You want to defend it? You bad over phone? Yeah. But the way you describe a girl, I think a girl fat than that, brother.
No. She did fat and she should get jaw.
The time I say I chat with the girl, lick off in face.
Under that. Under that. Under that, Junker. Under that. Oh, come in a million, come bad me up, eh? In a million, come bad me up, girl. Under that. Where you run for? In a small back, Brad. I want under that, come back. Come back, Junker, come back. You see you? All you, my mouth. Girl, me afraid of you. So if you're not afraid of me, where you run for? Because I'm running, I'm not top of a fist fight with no girl in a big store, me fire, you know? So I can never walk with you, what? Because I just threw me hand. Good. You come to fight and left your friend to fight, what? Yeah, good luck, yeah. Me quite hurted than me. Well, go on your busy because alone badness, me say. Come on you too. If you ever skettle.
Wanda!
I can't pull the door.
Pull the door! Jesus, because I'm never picking your man.
Stop on it behind the door.
Hey!
My hand's spraying, I can't pull the door.
Carla, sister! Jesus, I'm picking you no
She
man.
there outside, she can't come.
Carla! Manda, move this one, whatever at the door.
I said the leather drop behind the door and my hand
Pick up the letter, how the letter reach on here, so Jesus Christ.
I can't move it.
Pull it now.
I can't move it. My hand spraying and my back hurt me.
It's a girl.
Can't move it.
Me can't take one in the house, you know.
I can't move it, so I'm sorry for you.
Where the letter there?
I say there behind the door. It drop behind the door.
Down for the bottom?
Yes.
Use your foot, man. Use your foot,
I
man.
can't use my foot because my back pain me.
Jesus. Pass my phone, give me.
I can't find a phone.
Sister. Jesus. Open the door.
Me can't pull the door.
What the name again? Me never get to the name. Oh God. What the little one that broke her foot? What little cover her foot? Tell her to pull the door, man.
She can't stand up, her foot swell.
Me pass before me call Pinky.
I would get one girl down. The girl beat me up.
What? Oh, me up. Oh. Oi! My pitney, man. What me do that for? I let that this, you idiot. I let that this here. I'm not looking like me play bathroom for. I know prank. People then they overeat.
It's a prank.
Hello.
I all a car play bathroom, are you?
Where you there? Me go call Pinky, cause me can't take this no man. Me can't take it, man. Me forgot me yard now.
What kind of mad girl this?
I'm a phone. I'm a phone there.
Me no know.
Give me a call, me call Pinky. Me can't find my phone.
Me can't find for me.
For me one dead.
You know, so me have great my phone one here.
And then we're going in trouble.
Not me, and I'm gonna
You.
father higher.
You.
I got in trouble because of you. Pinky left here.
You're left in charge.
The phone I got in
You
trouble.
call Pinky.
Girl, drop in a crack.
This a phone you have for you, pull it.
But
Pull it here, phone you.
I don't my phone that.
Girl, now you this.
No.
Pull it, I'm not yours. Me want to call Pinky.
No, I don't mind.
My girl, I know you this year.
No.
I'm a you fool, man.
Fire. Fire.
What you want?
A fire me come to.
For another year.
Me come for one fire. But in data them.
In that my data them do.
Me go see one of them over me
Part of what
yard.
No. In data them, you left the yard. And the wrong house you have. Hello.
House.
A fire
After morning me I look for your side.
girl. And me a time with the picnic them and then I left the yard. You come here, you don't know that girl here?
That one day na yellow.
She?
Catch her over me yard and beat her.
No.
Take my
She
man.
done rake up the yard. So all she fight have come over the yard.
Ask her.
That's
After
what
that
she
was me see.
I know she.
I
Who
would
never
then.
she.
I would then.
Don't be a see my girl. Boy, boss, boy, girl, together. Man, man, come with that girl, take man.
Ask her if I had no spraying. I lick me licking her what not over there.
No, girl, I drop, she drop. And that spraying.
You know say I want careless mama.
Me? Girl,
Careless.
me not pretty yet, but me not careless. Are you careless?
I
Take something and lock up your man at the
All the
house.
same when fire come.
Mama, move and flip them doorway. Oh, come here, but come here, yeah. Move, man. You say you cannot disgrace man in yard, yeah? You go for the girl, you go take a girl, man.
Me look like me can't take man.
So the girl not say I'm
virgin.
spraying. Jesus, no do that, mama. You know no virgin. You can't fool me. Me big.
I'm a virgin.
Oh, you go over the girl, yeah. You go over the girl, you go over there.
No.
You 100% sure?
Yeah, this way me go over there.
No, come attend to
Exactly.
she. Me don't know what when my back turn. Me can't vouch for you, but me have to say yes. You don't left the yard, you don't left the yard. No, so she never left the yard.
No, she don't.
Yeah, rake up the yard, and the yard look rake up. So all you fight at the yard, girl. I'm prepared to bleed in out of order. You too out of order for true. You sure it's the yard? And all that, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, mama,
fire there.
calm down.
Where fire
Calm
there?
yourself.
Girl, where fire there? Fire me
Mama.
come to.
Find another year. You want to leave a message?
Well, you girl over there saying I white Marina.
What she do now?
What you mean what she do? She carry her friend to beat me.
No lie, you tell.
Me say, me sorry. I try fire pin me now kill him with some more.
No, girl. Hello, take it down when you talk. She not left the yard. She left the yard from morning. I lie, you a tell.
Well, man, it's your picnic. I don't know when a picnic there in yard for
No,
or not.
I don't pick me. I babysit me. I babysit. Me let me a pick the
Well, babysit is somewhere over there, so.
Wait.
My girl, tap the knife because me not understand. You go fight, girl.
Me not left here from.
But she fight time for fight people that's in the
Well,
yard.
ask him where my
What do you
friend
want,
come from
man?
for my block.
Hello. Come back for your black. I full black. This go on back home for another year. Come and fire the year.
Well, when me old film friend he run and this is when I start. So here what? You have to go control the person we have
man.
on the so.
Listen to me. They don't left out of the yard. I'm put my head on this so they don't left out of the yard. They did in the yard. So me
Well,
go on
put
home.
it on it.
They don't
I
left
have
the
somebody
yard.
to chop you off.
Go on. Go on now, my
Me I
girl.
go on, but me I come back when fire there come. I don't know what this.
You really go fight something like this, you idiot?
When I come back on here.
No,
I
stop.
have chat too.
Hello, go on home. We gotta go on home. Excuse me.
Miss, me never come here to you.
I come here to fire, I never come here to you.
Listen to me, you know. I'm in charge and I'm here to take care of them and I'm in charge. Listen to me now. Me do a good job. Go on, they never left the yard. Excuse. Why not?
Well, they never left the yard. Girl, me should have buck you. Next time you come for my ends, let me go lick off that face. Lady, bye.
Bye. You're just shameful, man. Man, what do you do, man?
How was shameful?
Because I don't say no left foot of the yard. Me have sense, you know. Me have feel so left foot of no. Oh, the girl, no. Turn round. Turn round. Turn back round. You the back foot, no your foot alright. Turn round your back. Me see your back still at you. Yeah, idiot. If you go look for fight something like that there. And you take people, man. No, man, me need to call Pinky need to come now.
This one, me take him, man.
No, that me never see, but Pinky need to start
Okay,
out
so
this
you know
one.
me I take people, man.
Girl, come pull the phone. Me want to chat to Pinky. I put my phone this.
Then I phone.
Where's my phone there? Move. Where's my phone there now? Where's my phone there? Lord Jesus, where's my phone there? I'm pick the thief my phone. You not thief too? You not thief me every time Pinky if you come here. Pinky if you come here because she start this out.
No, man, I really couldn't pass this night even here.
You fool!
Are you wrong? You're baby sick.
Fool! And the money me want, Pinky if you come, Pinky if you give me a bonus, man.
You not deserve no money.
Shut up your mouth, because the girl come and you couldn't fist her down. When the girl come and you couldn't go lick her, you dey hide back at me. And then me go over the girl yard. And then me go beat the girl on the road.
Yes, you want me go fight the girl?
She said so. If I never do it, in near if you go so. If you not near if you go so, or something go so. I'm too disgusting, man. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth, man. Shut up your mouth. If you borrow a phone, I soon come up, I go borrow a phone and come back. I'm too disgusting.
You know, so we have to go talk the truth.
Yeah. Somehow we have to talk it through.
Yeah, we have to go talk the truth. Because here I know. We go friend her up. Giara, we go bring juice here. Well, me I go do it. But more you have to work with me.
So
Yeah.
something. Oh,
Yes. Remember something when mommy have her own kitchen? Yeah, man, man
that.
always put in her juice for daddy sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go put some in her juice and give her. If she sleep, when she drop asleep now, we go tie her up. What you say?
That can go on this.
Alright then.
Nobody know I give me a call for call Pinky. But what me really want to know now? Because I'm an idiot. Me ask my question. You really left out of the yard and go over the girl? You go take a girl, man?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do it?
Want me do it?
Yeah.
Me and her plan.
So you go help fight girl to your friend left you?
Yep.
That nobody know. That can't go on, but you. Look what the age are you and your take man already.
So you go.
So tell me how you go now? How you plan up this year? How you plan? But we not have time to say you left the yard and you left the yard.
How you start? I mean, come out of the room and say I go in the kitchen. Go to the bathroom if you say. After you tell me if you got to plate them. I'm drop the knife on the ground. You never really lick me to though.
Never look at her.
No.
I mean, tell her to do.
I tell her to do it. And what do you do you? And what do you happen between you now? You back that hurt you?
Yeah, I get beat up and I never really slide.
So now back then they hurt you? And foot then they hurt you?
No.
It didn't hurt me, of course, because the woman beat me.
Oh, so you get the real beat on your back? Tell me what waste my time. I hush foot like an idiot and nothing to do you. I broke me shall broke you. No, me shall broke you. Move a step on nobody good. I'm tired. Wait for Pinky take too long for come. I want extra money for this job, yeah.
Anyways, left that. That in my pass.
You have to try and pass it through.
Oh, you want juice?
Yeah.
You want juice?
Yeah, I want some juice, I'm thirsty.
Alright, then I'm going to get the juice.
Yeah.
The soup come.
Alright. So, oh, you left to go beat girl, right? And you make girl beat up you. Oh, that work. Your friend, father?
Yeah.
And she really run left you because the girl said she run left you and she grab you. She really run. Jesus. What kind of friend that? How your friend look? Look, your friend big too or you look alike. Come and understand, I want to go fight and be fat girl and you get beat up and your friend gone left you.
She have bigger body than me.
And she run left you?
Yeah.
So are your idea?
No, I did tell you idea.
Oh, and then she run left and her friend that. Thank you very much. Oh God. What now look for me for?
No.
Oh, so you laugh for? Hey, Jesus, you idiot pit name here.
You're thirsty, drink your juice.
It was nice, though.
Let me have a migraine. Not in the cup, idiot.
See, draining that juice there. You should not want to drink it anymore.
Man, me head.
It work.
Come. Wait. Oh, it's like again.
Wait, for going away now?
Come.
What not up to? Jesus. I sounded the rude man. Me left not even 2 hours. Me left for an. Jesus Christ. One of the 2 hours. Kayla.
Jesus. My girl. Hello. Let me tell you the car.
What really happened? Get up.
I'm wicked.
What me really do to her? What happened, Kayla? What happened?
Money. This is what you in the yellow. Go a man yard. Go take man, woman beat her.
I lie.
Man, you go on the road. Go help friend, fight friend and get beat up. People come at the door, you know. Big disgrace, they call them. No, them.
I lie.
No, them.
Wait. Me soon make you talk. Huh? So wait, you said this is one you take man and share the what?
Fight, big fat girl, the girl fat. And tall.
And where you said then the two? Oh, you reach from the floor.
Yeah, ask me if I want drinks, I may drink the drinks. So like I jugs, then jugs me.
I lie.
Jesus whip.
Give me money, let me go for my business.
Alright, see one money there. Thanks, and here what?
No care back here, cause I know good that baby sick.
No.
That baby
Me not coming back.
I beat him, I beat and then what tell lie.
Watch him.
Y'all listen what me I say?
Yes, sir.
Hear what me I say. Please. Just forget say this happen. Here, me we get down to the bottom of my door.
No drink, no friend, then we pack the girl and lock me up in the bathroom.
Lie. That whole lie. Are you there? Beat we.
Alright, go on. Cause me and I figure stay with them tonight. Cause their father not come back tonight.
No man, you're lucky. You're my name murder, you're not this. I'm not coming back here.
Look at your maga.
I sounded it wicked, man. What me couldn't stay as... Here, what? Give me on the phone. Hurry up. Me the too soft with you now. I want to take this thing for. Listen now. A new rules and regulation in your store right now. On the bed for a morning. Your bed for a morning, you got a man yard. Eh? Hey, get up on the bed, man. Listen. Hello, come round and say, go on the bed. Boy, you the got a man yard. The damn flux like a mango. Pick me a man.
Ali, Yo, me can't believe say me left you with my precious daughter then. And a be a batter and bruise, one a ball fade, one a ball feed, one a ball feed back. And then me I hear from the grapevine say one a fight and one a take man and one a tell us yo, you have to stay with them.
So I'm if you know who get man and who a batter bruise.
No, but me left you in charge of them. Did they go anywhere? Did you just sleep when they there?
No, me not sleep. Me not still go nowhere. I must in the night when time me go on my bed.
Alright. Alright. Me have a camera. But it not work good. So when me have an engineer, Bridget, a technician, but if everything record planning, me go see what go on. But remember, then you think we go wrong, I'm about money.
I'm about which money?
I have a good
Listen
life.
me done, you done pay me and me done can with the pit name now. Oh.
You know I'm going to say? Alright. We go sit down and talk to a liar. And then today we go mash up the case. So when we come in at this evening and now, we expect to see me with them alright. But when we realize they're not alright now, we don't want to go back to court again.
If you talk to the girl, them and make them know so they sit down and keep their hands quiet.
So you beat them then?
Beat who? Me beat them.
So they are better with them and tell me what going on.
I don't know what I'm ask them.
I go find out. So then you're not a problem.
We can't no problem. Big pitney and me a big woman.
What go on, mama?
One left to let the girl go, you know. The girl come here, she make breakfast. You will give me a cup of tea. I tell her, so when she give me breakfast, must give me everything one time. Simple little thing. 2 boiled egg, slice of toast, and a cup of oatmeal. The girl bring the tea. She come in, me say to her, say, alright, you have to do the kitchen and stuff like that. Oh, she not feel good and she should even come. So I said, then why you come if you not feel sick?
Mama, do not say nothing to me now. Because when the girl come for the work and I say, Mama, me no think that girl a right for the job. Oh, me like her, man. Me take the spirit. Me say, take her. So me take her and put her up on the job. And then we say you fire her now.
She know what for.
Alright, we have a new girl. Me know this man will end up a court. If everything play out good on one camera, I'm left over here with the them. Because I couldn't finish over then again. Can you the place that mash up? So
no, me can't handle them.
We have a girl to babysit over there. So must say if she want the job. If everything go through good, me give her the job.
Okay.
And make she come and take care of here.
Bring her out though. Otherwise not here. But bring her come first.
Them lock up. See me woman get lock up and what they want to tell her under pressure.
What happened?
After me down me yard good. Me and woman good. The woman, we notice at night time me sleep so comfortable, me sleep like a baby every night. Cause every night he mix more look Milo tea, so me I was like look at tea in the evening and go to sleep and relax my nerve. I feel no side drugs together drugs me.
For what?
So me stop on camera in my place. Camera me set up now. Me realize say when me asleep, she have man in the house.
You make sure no say you get insurance money?
No, she don't know that part there.
Then why you want drugs here?
So what me do now, me make her right. Videotape her. So me have her a court here now. But so wrong with the camera, we can't get the fight again. So only with footage I'm take off already, we got a court. But we soon get some footage off because I have an engineering place for them to fix it up. But if I find that now, the evidence I have against her for drugs and something, them I go to court and them give her a piece of sentence. Good. But I not tell them them do because I don't want to them.
No, not tell them.
Yeah, so I tell them so the woman they are foreign at work. For farm work and she go get one of her ears over there. She not hard labor. So that good for them no. But me I tell you, the girl wicked.
How much she wicked?
Hey wicked.
Can you treat her good?
And she had tell me about love and marriage. She want me marry her.
You couldn't marry to somebody like that. You're not more unhappy, you're not miserable.
Here what? I have things to do, you know, mama. So I go to go and check the engineer and see if everything good with the camera. If it work, then we send the girl come to come help you. Because you're in the age and you're not
that look up broke for girl will come in, don't give me money. Kind of do nothing. All she don't make the cup of tea, and my medicine, she me have 2 hands, me can't do my medicine. Say, you don't want to walk, you want to get money.
You see a spirit take her?
Yeah, but she no good.
Alright,
later.
Yeah. yeah, you know it's one king, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. Yeah man, so give thanks and support from that time to this time. We are coming close to the end of one more year. You know what I mean? Okay, year. And we are attack the war without fear. You know what I mean? So we are work from now, go straight back to the new year. Yeah man, so we are well moving on the pipeline coming up. So stay tuned and go and listen to the big tune. Yeah man, the Janko Batty tune. You know, the rum business. Hi, you know, say Christmas is a festive moment like that, and the song where the Virginia put out, you know, is a song where I have comedy night. You know what I mean? When you listen it, you can feel the energy, you can feel the vibes. You know what I mean? So check out the song. Don't hear from me alone, you know. When you're looking at the description, you're going to see the link to YouTube for a video, official video. Because you know I can't put it on my channel because you know how the copyright thing go when the song license already and everything. So I want to go follow this Virginia. You know, it's a Jamaican product, same way as it. And it's a clean song, everybody can listen it, right? Everybody drink rum sometime. So you just go and drink. But he might tell a film story when he might drink rum and him bridging them and how he go. You know what I mean? From that time till this time. So big up all of my sponsor them. From that time till this time, big up all of the people them out in the world. Who don't have my number, get the number, because up on the channel them, and give me a link. You know what I mean? We've talked about it. Christmas a come. But them said the fowl is getting fat. We just put a 10 cent in that. Yo, a long time song, it's all them song now come back again, you know. But we talk about it one different time. Let's go.